Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw BNB from your Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, staying updated is key to avoiding common pitfalls, so let's get started. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet, the Ledger Live app on your computer, the Binance app installed on your Ledger, and Trust Wallet set up on your mobile device. Always double-check that your devices are secure and your BNB balance is visible on your Ledger. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN for added security. Step 2. On your Ledger, navigate to the Binance app. This is where your BNB is stored, so select it and confirm you're on the right wallet. Step 3. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your BNB account. Now, initiate the withdrawal by copying the recipient address from your Trust Wallet app. Open Trust Wallet on your phone, go to your BNB wallet, and tap the Receive button to get the address. Never share this manually to avoid errors. Step 4. Back on Ledger Live, paste the Trust Wallet address into the Send field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, double-check everything, and hit Confirm. Your Ledger will prompt you to verify the transaction on the device itself. Always approve it there for hardware security. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transaction will process on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so keep an eye on your Trust Wallet app to see when the BNB arrives. In 2025, network fees might vary, so consider using a lower fee if you're not in a rush. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify details to protect your assets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.